Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has already left an incredible mark on the vlogging and content creation world, offering advanced video capabilities packed into a highly portable design. It has struck the perfect balance between performance and portability, making it a go-to choice for both professional videographers and everyday content creators. However, with technology constantly evolving, it's no surprise that DJI is preparing to take things even further with the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4, expected to launch in 2025. If you thought the Osmo Pocket 3 was impressive, get ready, because the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce some game-changing upgrades that could make it the ultimate compact camera for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers. Let's dive into the latest leaks, rumored features, and potential pricing for the DJI Pocket 4, and explore how it could redefine portable cinematography. Compact yet powerful. The evolution continues. One of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket series has always been its compact design combined with an integrated 3-axis gimbal, allowing for ultra-smooth, cinematic footage even when moving. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to retain this compact, easy-to-carry form factor while introducing new hardware and software improvements that take stabilization, image quality, and usability to the next level. Rumors suggest that DJI will enhance the Pocket 4's camera sensor, possibly moving from the 1-inch sensor found in the Pocket 3 to an even larger sensor for improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and better color accuracy. This would be a significant upgrade, making it a compelling choice for content creators looking to capture stunning visuals with a pocket-sized device. Higher resolution and improved image processing. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the jump in resolution. While the Osmo Pocket 3 already supports 4K video recording, the DJI Pocket 4 could introduce 5.4K or even 6K resolution, providing higher detail and more flexibility in post-production. This increase in resolution would be a game-changer for professionals who require the highest possible video quality in a compact package. Additionally, the Pocket 4 is expected to feature a new image processing engine, which could enhance video clarity, reduce noise in low-light conditions, and provide better color grading options straight out of the camera. With HDR video recording, enhanced frame rates, and improved slow-motion capabilities, the DJI Pocket 4 might set a new benchmark for portable cinematic cameras. Enhanced OLED touchscreen and redesigned interface. Another area where the Pocket 4 is rumored to see a major upgrade is its display and user interface. Current leaks indicate that DJI might introduce a larger, higher-resolution OLED touchscreen, possibly a 2.5-inch rotating OLED panel with a resolution of 480 by 800 and a peak brightness of 800 nits. This upgrade would make framing shots easier even in bright sunlight and provide a more intuitive touch interface for quick adjustments on the go. Some users have reported issues with the current flip screen on the Osmo Pocket 3, citing stiff rotation and occasional responsiveness problems. DJI is likely working on a more durable hinge mechanism and improved firmware optimization to ensure a seamless experience with the Pocket 4. Next-generation stabilization and tracking features. Stabilization has always been one of the biggest selling points of the Osmo Pocket lineup, and the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to bring further refinements. Advanced AI-driven gimbal stabilization could enhance motion tracking, ensuring ultra-smooth video even in fast-paced environments like sports, travel, and action vlogging. The new model is also rumored to feature Active Track 7.0, which could introduce phase detection autofocus and eye-tracking technology. These improvements would make the camera more adept at tracking moving subjects accurately, ensuring they remain in sharp focus even when they move quickly across the frame. Extended battery life for longer shoots. Battery life is another area where the Pocket 4 is expected to excel. While the Osmo Pocket 3 offers around 2.5 hours of recording time, early leaks suggest that DJI might increase the battery capacity, extending the runtime to nearly 200 to 210 minutes of continuous shooting. This enhancement would be a huge advantage for vloggers and travelers who rely on their cameras for extended filming sessions without frequent recharges. Additionally, the Pocket 4 might support faster USB-C charging and wireless charging capabilities, making it even more convenient for users on the move. Connectivity and smart features. The future of portable filmmaking. DJI is expected to introduce new wireless connectivity options for seamless integration with smartphones, tablets, and even live streaming platforms. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support could enable faster file transfers, low-latency wireless preview, and real-time streaming to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Live. Some rumors suggest that DJI might introduce cloud storage support, allowing creators to instantly back up footage and access files from anywhere. This could be a huge advantage for professionals managing multiple projects and collaborations. Expected price and release date. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed the Osmo Pocket 4, leaks suggest that the camera could be released in early to mid-2025, possibly around spring or summer. Given the upgrades and features, the starting price is rumored to be between $499 and $599, keeping it competitive in the high-end vlogging camera market. For those looking for an even more premium experience, DJI might also offer an Osmo Pocket 4 Pro Edition, which could include additional accessories, ND filters, an expanded battery grip, and an advanced mic system. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Pocket 4 worth the wait? With all these rumored enhancements, the DJI Pocket 4 has the potential to become one of the best compact cameras for content creators, vloggers, and travel filmmakers. From its higher resolution sensor, improved stabilization, enhanced battery life, and cutting-edge tracking features, DJI seems to be aiming for a new level of portability and performance in the world of handheld cameras. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest tech news. This has been Techno Trend Zone, and I'll see you in the next video.